Tense Investor here, coming at you with another.
What's up, guys? Tense Investor here, coming at you
with another episode of crypto-related news. I wouldn't really call it news. Just I'm going to talk a little bit about this Ethereum Capital Wallet. It's another passive crypto trading investment that I have. It works really well. It's a smart contract is what it's called. I had to do a little bit of research myself just to kind of understand what exactly that was. There's been lots of smart contracts that come and go. I found out about Ethereum Capital Wallet by listening to some of the Oracle's videos. He was also in the, I think it's the Gold Chip fund, which is Ethereum Gold. But that one and Ethereum Capital Wallet, they're both linked to the same smart contract, and that's this contract. When you go up here, it's the same amount. Like if you check everything, it's exactly the same, whether you're on Ethereum Capital Wallet or Gold Chip fund. But let me go to this other web page real quick. So blockchain is the blockchain for decentralized finance, DeFi. It's away from the general system of things. It's its own ecosystem, if you will. You can put your money in it, and it'll keep compounding dividends over and over and over. This is my account right here. I got about $2,000 in it, but just in about 2 days, it's made $10. And I can take that money, and I can reinvest it. I can withdraw it, or I can reinvest it. But when you invest in this thing, you are going to pay a 20% fee. I wouldn't really call it a fee because that's how you also make money. But anyway, that 20% is going to go to everybody else that's in this total contract right here, this 10,409,000 amount. It gets split up into everybody in the contract. So, you can reinvest it. I usually like to let it get up a little bit more because you got to pay a gas fee. See if I hit reinvest. This is MetaMask. This is another little setup. MetaMask is it's like a little wallet that you use to fund this Ethereum Capital account or this smart contract. But you can see this gas fee right here. You have to have enough gas to be able to deposit, the amount that you want. But see, it's high. It's like $8.13 that you'd have to pay. It's going to come out of whatever you are reinvesting or withdrawing. The gas fee does. So that takes away, so you like to let that get up a little higher before you actually reinvest or withdraw, because that hurts you just a little bit. But I'm just letting this build up. I'll let it build up for a week or two, then I'll reinvest. And then your Ethereum credits down here, 0.023379 ETH. That's $9.97. That'll get you like one credit. So see, like if you put 0.023379, yeah. Well, it should have said it's going to get you 1 ETH, but anyway, once you build it up like that, I've went from like $1,300 to $2,000, in about 2 weeks' time, just by reinvesting the dividends. So it's really profitable. My link is right here, which I'll also share it in the description in case you would like to be a part of this smart contract. If you look at their page, See, it talks about lifelong passive income. This smart contract's probably just going to keep going. It's impossible to be hacked. There's been many attempts. The code is written in such a way where nobody can modify it, not even the owner, the original coder. None of those people can mess with it or tamper with it. And as it says here, it's protected by the blockchain, theft-proof, audited, and time-tested. Safely stored in a vault on the blockchain for which only you have the keys. So you can keep your money in here as long as you want. Ain't really nothing gonna happen to it. The ETH price has went up a good bit. It was like 370 something the other day, and I bought some, so it was a pretty good price. I wish I could have bought more, but I'm just funding it as time allows and mainly money allows. That's the big thing. But I mean, if you keep building this thing up and keep rolling this back, you'd eventually get up to making like an ETH a day or something. I mean, it's something crazy. And as the price of Ethereum goes up too, that'll make this total value go up, because Ethereum credits are based off ETH. Like one Ethereum credit's $9.97. So this 250 credits is based off that number, which is based on 0.0233 ETH. So I think you kind of see what I'm saying there. As price of ETH goes up, your total value is going to go up too, which is going to make your dividends a little bit more as people buy into this thing. That's where you make your money. Like if another guy comes and buys in or sells, you'll get like that 20% that they take off the top. It's a really cool thing. Decentralized finance, refers to the shift from traditional centralized finance systems to peer-to-peer finance enabled by decentralized technologies. So you're getting away from these like centralized banks, those kind of things, where stuff's monitored. But it's become really active, like it says here. Now over $7 billion worth of value locked in Ethereum smart contracts. And I think that's a good bit out of the total Ethereum blockchain that's held up into some of these smart contracts. It talks about some of the benefits. Like I just said, it's highly programmable, enable creation of new financial instruments, immutability, tamper-proof. Nobody can hack it or screw with it or whatever. Interoperability. I can't really say that, but Ethereum's composable software stack ensures that DeFi protocols applications are built to integrate and complement one another. Transparency on the public Ethereum blockchain. Every transaction is broadcast to and verified by other users on the network. This level of transparency around transaction data not only allows for rich data analysis, but also ensures that network activity is available to any user. It's permissionless. Unlike traditional finance, DeFi is defined by its open, permissionless access. Anyone with crypto wallet and internet connection, regardless of their geography, and often without any minimum amount of funds required, can access DeFi applications built on Ethereum. So it's like a one world currency, like regular currency. You got like dollars, pesos, pounds, all those kind of things. But the cryptocurrency is one world currency. Some of them do different things, and they're far different things, but that's what makes it kind of cool too. And right here it even talks about MetaMask, by using Web3 wallets like MetaMask to interact with permissionless financial applications protocols. DeFi market participants always keep custody of their assets and control of their personal data, so you're always in control. And I usually keep dang, I got a bunch of stuff up here. I usually keep a lot of my crypto in my Exodus wallet here, but that's what I use. It's a good system. It's on my computer here, so it's not stored in a wallet where it could magically disappear somewhere or something like that. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little thing, and I would encourage you to check it out. I just wanted to make a video on it, and you could see how it kind of works. Just a basic idea is all it is. But there's a lot of info about it. There's still a lot I don't know about it, but I just pretty much went by like what the Oracle had mentioned in his videos about Ethereum Capital Wallet being like one of the best ones. I mean, if you look at this one and you look at Ethereum Gold, it's the same smart contract. They're linked to the same contract. Yeah, see, it's the same thing. There isn't really any difference between the two. It's like if I click on the link from Ethereum Capital Wallet, see, it brings up the same. When I click between them, it brings up the exact same amount. So even though they might look a little different, between these two, between this one and this one, they're really just the same thing, just a little bit different. Like one of them outputs, Ethereum Capital Wallet outputs in US dollars, and Ethereum Gold has it in Ethereum. So that's why I picked Ethereum Capital Wallet. I just like to see it and my dividends in US dollars, but it's just easier for me with the conversion and everything. I think the Oracle had said that too. He likes to see it in dollars also, but I mean, it really don't matter in the bottom line. You're still getting the same rates of dividends and that kind of thing. So, but yeah, that's pretty much most of it. It talks about earning dividends, in like passive income investment, promise you 1% per day. It fluctuates at Ethereum Capital. It's generated when investors buy, sell, or transfer Ethereum credits. The fee to buy Ethereum credits is 20%. You will see this deducted as soon as you deposit. 10% is distributed immediately to all investors. So that's why you see the dividend go up. That 10%, goes to all of them. And then when you finally sell out, when you've made enough dividends, that's when the other 10% is released. So I haven't got out of it yet. I've been in it for like a couple weeks. So my other 10% has not been released to any investors. How much can I earn depositing Ethereum? You can earn passively in 3 ways. The dividends are generated as people buy and sell Ethereum. As Ethereum is deposited into the contract, the value of each Ethereum credit increases, so your initial deposit can be worth even more than you deposited. And then some experts say Ethereum price is expected to outpace the growth of Bitcoin. Since the contract pays you in Ethereum, everything you earn can be worth more and more. So that's what I was talking about. The price of Ethereum is probably going to keep going up too. So the value that you got in that contract, the total value is going to go up, which will increase your dividends and your earnings. If it's $400 something now, if it went up to $10,000 per ETH, then your dividend chunk is going to be a little bit more for sure. So, and like I've said a couple times, it's always safe. I mean, this thing's been around for 3 years now, since 2018. You can see, dividends paid 141,000 2018, 2019, 285,000 dividends, and it don't really matter. Like even like the Oracle was saying, even if this line's going down, as people sell, like they're selling when this line is going down. So you're getting that 10% when they leave. So it's not like your value is really decreasing. This is the amount that's in the contract. So they're selling out of the contract. You know, the price of Ethereum, it might be the same, you know, but as more people get back into it, this might have been like the Oracle tsunami here, like last year, when everybody just got into it. Because I think around July or August is when he made a bunch of videos about it, and then everybody wanted to get into it. So this is when everybody got into it. Now it kind of petered out, you know, and then it went back up here. So, you know, it's kind of crazy. It ebbs and flows, but if the best thing you could probably do, and he said it too, is just stay in it. Stay in it, you know, and then you just keep building your dividends. I mean, you could build this thing up. I mean, it'd be paying you a lot, you know, if you just let it keep compounding. And the price of ETH keeps going up too. I mean, the sky is the limit. That is it. And there's also a Discord here, you know, if you want to click on it and go to it. I ain't really checked it out too much. I think I know enough about it to get my hands dirty. I just wanted to share my little bit of earnings that I've had, and you know, I'll try to make another video here as I earn a little more, and I keep, you know, when I get to like 300 credits, and you know, maybe like every 100 credits or something that I get, I might do a little update video just to let y'all know how everything's increasing and the rate per day, because there really ain't been a lot of videos like that. I think there is a website where a guy is showing his per day earnings based on the amount of Ethereum credits that you got, or he might be on this other one, the Ethereum Gold. But like I said, they're linked to the same contract, smart contract. So it don't really matter if it's Ethereum Capital Wallet or Ethereum Gold. They all link back to the same contract. So anyway, I just wanted to show you all that, and if you do want to sign up for it or anything, I got my link right here. I will post that in the description. I appreciate y'all listening to me and hearing me out for this opportunity, and I'll be sure to post some more videos about it later on in the future. Thanks, and y'all have a good night.